know heating water in your home's water heater accounts for about 20% of the energy used in the average household? More than your refrigerator, dishwasher, clothes washer, and dryer combined? Switching to an Energy Star certified electric heat pump water heater can save you hundreds of dollars every year in energy costs. Electric heat pump water heaters use a high efficiency heat pump to transfer heat from the surrounding air to the water. Think of it like a refrigerator running in reverse. Electric heat pump water heaters typically offer the best balance of upfront costs, ease of installation, and savings over time. So what's its cost? Although high-efficiency heat pump water heaters have a higher upfront cost, the savings will pay back the difference in 2 years for a 4-person household. Energy Star certified heat pump water heaters can save a household of 4 approximately $330 per year on its electric bills compared to a standard electric water heater, and up to $3,470 over the heat pump water heater's lifetime. Larger families will save even more. Not interested in making the investment now, but want to start saving? Here are some tips to save on water heating without making the purchase of a new electric heat pump water heater. Install low-flow faucets and shower heads to reduce water usage. Turn down the temperature of your tank. Insulate your water heater and surrounding pipes, or consider buying an Energy Star certified dishwasher or clothes washer. Focus on Energy has partnered with participating contractors to provide up to $300 instant discounts on heat pump water heaters. Visit focusonenergy.com/water heaters to learn more, or contact your local plumbing contractor.